How many sheets can I put on a Tableau dashboard? The answer really is as many as you can. In this example, I have only 2 sheets. On a different dashboard, I have over 20 sheets. The answer to how many sheets can I put on a dashboard is however many that you can without slowing down performance. I'm going to show you how to use performance tuning to decide if you have too many or too few sheets on your dashboard. If you add a new sheet and save it while you're on the new sheet, you're going to set yourself up to be able to do performance tuning. So I'm going to save this as a new file in Downloads. I'm going to close it and then reopen it. Now that I have the dashboard open again, I'm going to click on Help, Settings and Performance, and then start performance tuning. Let's go back over to the executive summary. What's happening in the background is Tableau is tracking every single thing that is happening on the dashboard and telling you how long each part takes. So let's click on Help again, Settings and Recording, Stop Performance Recording. This opens a new workbook of your performance recording. Let's close that out. Open this back up. Let's go to one of these sheets to see what's happening. These are everything that's happening on your dashboard. So this worksheet, Sales Top Products, is computing layout for 37 seconds. You can go through all of the tasks that are happening in your dashboard to see which one is taking too long. And that's performance tuning in Tableau. Hope this helps.